Well, let's extend our arpeggios on today from our A minor into our progression, extending with our left hand thumb, learning some passing as we go. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Let's begin with our A minor and let's just revise what we've been looking at. So our first pattern that we learnt in our arpeggio series just went the 3 up. And now let's revise across the octave and in the right hand. And let's put it together 2 times. Today, let's extend it further by doing a thumb passing up to the following octave in our right hand. Our left hand is going to stay exactly the same, so let's have a go. So just up and down with our left hand as we've been doing. The right hand though is going to slip through and just slip our thumb under. If we need to go to higher notes, our thumb can just glide under our hand, ready to play the higher notes without moving our wrist awkwardly or making the sound hiccup. So let's have a go up and down again. This time, we're going to slip our thumb to this A here and then keep going up. Exactly the same notes. So let's have a go with the right hand again. So up and down. This time, we're going to continue the right hand with our thumb all the way to the top. Let's add the left hand as well. It's just going to continue going back down the other way. Here we go. Back down again. This time thumb under, all the way to the top. Let's now move to our second pattern of a D minor. So we've got an A, a D, and an F. This time slip your thumb under. The left hand's going to continue up and down. And then let's join the first 2 together from our A minor. Thumb under. Left hand again, joining now for our D pattern. Up and down. Thumb under. All the way and float off there. Now going to our B and our E pattern now. Thumb under again, gliding under. And float off. Back to the D pattern. And finishing all the way up to our A minor. Top note there. So have a fiddle around with that. I just thought that might be one way that we can get our hands working together, moving that left hand up and down without it getting more complicated, and our left hand can practice that little thumb pass under as we go. So thanks for joining me. Happy music making. Ta-da.